How you doing, guys? Tech Motorsports, Eb here, and today I bring you my cinnamon interior. My driver's seat did arrive, and it looks wonderful. So I will be going through the process of installing the seat cushions on the seat itself. So here we go. So here is the cinnamon interior. The center armrest, the bottom cushion, and the back. They look gorgeous. I've been waiting for these. Finally, we'll have heated seats on the driver's side. And there's the back seat right there with a lumbar. So I will be installing those onto that seat. So let's get started. This should be easier, or the easiest item to do. Got it on backwards. There we go. So just gotta watch the clocking. You gotta have it open, and then it slides in its slot here. Which I'll try to do this side right here. It just goes right, that little pigtail goes right in there. And with it open, and it just snaps into place. There we go. Just gotta squeeze it in there. Mo better. All right, so make sure she closes. There she goes. And my little trim. And there she is, ready to be installed in the car. So now I'll prop up the seat and start putting it all back together. So, hang tight. Okay, so I gotta put the bottom cushion on first. Got to get this item here folded under there. There's a couple clamps down here. And then once that's done, I should be able to grab these hooks here from the back side and to be able to clip those in place. And then this front section will be done. And then it's for the rest of the way on the back. So let's get started. Get rid of the stinking gloves so I can have better grip. Right. All right, so I got the plastic section of here that folds underneath. In between, there's a little spotted area. That's where it goes in. It snaps into place. She's good now. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna tighten these a little bit more. These are clamps right underneath here, so you got to tighten them down so that way it keeps the front clamp, keep the front tank down. Here comes the fun part. So the back has a wire that goes across, and it has 3 hooks that go in one direction, and then it has a stopper on the other side. So the wire has to go through that to keep it in place. So hope that makes sense. Okay. All right, had to reposition the camera a little bit in the seat. So let's get to it again and again. this piece up first. They make it easier along the bolts. How you sit here? Yeah. Cheating here a little bit, using an Allen wrench. Well, I got the side piece on. Boy, what a pain in the butt. I thought it was going to be a little bit more simpler, but it's just trying to get the wires in the right spot, and as you're moving it, the wires pop out, and you have to, it was such a pain. But I finally got that done. So now that's for my heated. So I'll put those back on. So now for the back. Okay, so got my my butt connectors on the heating elements, the pigtails, so they can get swapped out. So I'm going to go ahead and heat treat those now. Alright guys, I went ahead and put the headrest on and got the wires all taken care of for the heat elements, and just put on the regular clips and just try to snug it up and try to tighten it to make it smooth. About to put the back cap on. This is simple to do. And here we are. Seats all back together, headrest on, levers on, and the side panel for memory seat and lumbar. It's on. Not bad for black to cinnamon. The only issue that I found was this right here, that lumbar, which is the left-hand side. I've been tugging and pulling and tugging, and just trying to get it all nice and smooth. I was able to get it a little bit smoother, and as I kept tugging and pulling, and then I realized the lumbar, this little lumbar, the air pocket, is pretty much empty, while this one has air in it. So I'm hoping that's what that is, and once I get in the car, I'll deflate it and inflate it, and I hope it does smooth out. But if it doesn't, looks like I'll be looking for a new left side bolster for the lumbar. So, but we'll see. Looks great. Can't wait to put it in the car. Stay tuned. Here we are, guys. The seat and the center armrest are in. Boy, oh boy, does that driver's seat complete the car. Looks way better than that race seat. Looks great, looks great. The left bolster, you can see it still has the little wrinkles on it. I think there might be an issue with my airbag. It did smooth out as I was pumping them up for the lumbar. So I'll keep an eye on that, and that would be something for down the road. Most likely I'll try to have an interior guy look at that. I am not an interior guy, but you know, I figured I don't know how good I am until I try it. So I give it a whirl. Like I was stating before, I was pulling, stretching, pulling and stretching, and stretching and pulling, and even rubbed a little spit on it, and I just couldn't get it to come out better. But she does end up great. And like always, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video, and stay tuned for more.